presentations in 2021. Microsoft PowerPoint and Google Slides are great for making presentations and are probably the most popular choices to use to create presentations. If you are a consultant, teacher, or public speaker, you know how important it is to have a great presentation. In order to add some flair to the presentation, Canva is a great tool. Getting started with Canva for presentations. Choose from over 1,000 templates from Canva's ever-growing library. Canva has a multitude of templates that are suitable for almost any occasion or profession. Making presentations fun for the whole team. Canva has a lot of great features that makes it really easy to design presentations with your team. For example, if you are working on a design and you want to assign a certain slide to a person on your team, you just comment on that slide. Branding presentations. The feature that makes Canva stand out is that it has a powerful and easy-to-use style tool. It's as easy as clicking on the color palette and applying the style on all the elements on each page. Canva Recording Studio. This is a really useful feature if you're making pre-recorded webinar presentations or if you want to upload to YouTube and other video hosting platforms. Canva Live Presentation Sessions. With Canva Live, your audience can engage with you while you are doing your presentation. Canva generates a unique 6-digit code for you to share to your audience so they can raise any questions and interact live during your presentation. Take your presentations to the next level. With all these features we mentioned, you can create a fun and engaging experience for your team and audience. Make presentations in 2021 today.